He's so royal, hair to his feet, a man so complete. He is the meaning of black supremacy, kinda like a prophet or a priest. Rock steady when we make love, the rhythm thumps as the bass gyrates. My Rasta man, my Rasta man, there's strength in his cane. I really wouldn't know, cause he is not my man. His name is Tarrus Riley, and he's gonna be my special Rastaman vibration guest here on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your host, Empress, and thank you so much for joining us. As usual, we have Artist of the Week, usual features, the charts, Where Are They Now, music trivia, and so much more. So glide, ride, walk with me, talk with me as I take you through the pages of local and overseas entertainment. Tarrus Riley, welcome to the show, and thanks for traveling all the way from St. Thomas to be here with us. Now, your father, the very flirtatious, the very talented Jimmy Riley, is a veteran reggae singer who has had a number of big tunes over the years. But let's focus on you, Mr. Tarrus Riley. What do you hope to accomplish in the music industry?
For Tarrus Riley, sky is the limit, you know. We want to accomplish all that we can accomplish. You know, my father started in the business and set a certain standard, him and a lot of other veteran artists, and you know, we're not really following anyone, but they are good examples to follow, you know. So we just aim high, you know, and go for the best, you know. It's all about music and doing it with truth and being true to the art, you know what I mean? Simple.
How has the journey been for you, Tarrus? Describe for us the struggle.
The journey? Well, to be honest, you know, the journey have its ups and downs. If you want the downs first, a lot of people stereotype you because your father's a singer. So a man feel like, say, just from a Jimmy Riley son, him feel like him born with gold spoon and feel like him have it easy. So a lot of man try to make it tough for you, or, you know, view you as not, you know, roots or hardcore or whatever, because them feel like, say, you're born having it, or so to speak. You know, but you can't watch that because we are real roots youths anyway. At the same time, the positive part is that me get to hang around the studio, you know. Me go around studios. Me always tell people, if my father was a mechanic, maybe me da go in a garage, or if he was a chef, me da go in a restaurant.
You've just released your second album, Parables, on VP Records. Tell us about the album. Who did you work with, and just how long did it take you to put the album together?
Parables, no, the reason why we call it Parables first is that every song has more than one meaning, like a parable. You know, you have a song called A System Set, in which I speak about everyday liberty and I show our relevance towards Willing syndrome. So, you know, produced by Mr. Dean Fraser the Great, you know. Some of the toughest musicians them, you know. We have Sly and Robbie, we have Glenn Brownie, we have Mark Dawson, Kirk Bennett. We have we do a collaboration with Della Manley, which is a big strength, you know, a song called Family. We do a next collaboration with an artist named Dwayne Stevenson, the former lead singer for Two Isis. It took me, to be honest, you know, the closing of last year we started up to midway of this year, you know, we just go, it never take long. You know, we just whistle and ride, and it's a great vibe. So don't know in the studio, the vibes are flowing with us, full speed ahead.
A talented young man like you must have been influenced by talented entertainers. So tell us, who are your musical influences?
Too much to mention in one time. Tarrus Riley is a fan of music, every genre of music. You know, we love the original Wailers. You know, we love Early Burning Spear. We love Barry Salmon. You know, we love Butch Banton, them, Sizzla, them said we.
Tarrus, if you just call me, I will stay with you. All right, now, baby, tell me, has the success of that song, Stay With You, changed much for you? And how has it enhanced you?
But the girls, them love Stay With You, you know. The girls, them love Stay With You. And not change, you know, just make more people know about who Tarrus Riley is. And like I said, a lot of people think that is my song, originally, because of even the first album. And many ones know I can write music and thing. So when them find out say it's a John Legend tune, them say, John, no, the youths in the tune wicked just like even John Legend. So just make more people get more familiar with I and I. And we do give thanks for all of that, you know, it's a great song.
Tarrus, the ladies want to know more, and some of the brethren that love your music. Tell us where you grew up and where did you go to school? Fill us in, brethren.
Well, to be honest and truthful, you know, we grew up, you know, we go high school abroad, still Florida, you know. Me and my high school, you know, and you know, music all them time there. Snap my finger. We never go to college. And I couldn't wait to finish high school to return forward to Jamaica to start pursuing my musical career, you know. I have to up my mother because she always pushed me and said, boy, you go back to Jamaica.
Okay, so before we go, tell us what you're working on right now. I heard that you're on the Shine Rhythm, so give us a lowdown. Want a natty on the front line? Tell us, Tarrus. Tell us.
We never leave the instrument, we're always writing. Right now, in terms of music, we have a brand new single out on the Pot of Gold label, Whispers, produced by Mr. Richie Stevens. It's a great pleasure to work with them, man. They don't know them a veteran. And like I said, I'm always writing, we're always recording, you know. Ready for the next album right now, to be honest, you know.
Thank you so much, Tarrus Riley, for coming on the show. Everybody knows that I love your smile, I love your music, and I love your style. My Rasta man. But hey, ladies and gentlemen, what's coming up next? So you know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you the hot scoop. It's your girl Empress here on the show. Diana King enters at number 16 on the Netherlands Airplay charts this week with her new single, the autobiographic Spanish Town Blues. Let me tell you something, I was at Village Life last Tuesday and Diana King touched the stage and we loved every minute of her performance. Diana, blessed, yeah? Love the show. And still on the chart, Sean Paul's album The Trinity experienced a boost in sales this week after he won the American Music Award for Favorite Male Pop Artist. Let's please shout out, big up Sean. Done know, so we love you. Thank you for spreading Jamaican music throughout the world. The album is locked at number 1 on the Billboard's Reggae Album chart. Sean Paul's collaboration, Break It Off with Rihanna, debuts at number 95 on Billboard's Hot 100 charts. Here on the local scene, continuing in the hot scoop, Mavado is doing very well on the Billboard R&B singles chart with the song What Am I Do. This song moved up from number 66 to 38 on the charts. Tanya Stevens, yes, my girl, is still going strong with her latest album, Revolution. The album is still number 1 on the New York and South Florida Reggae Album charts. According to SoundScan, the album has moved up more than 10,000 copies in the US. According to Yardflex.com, and not according to me, but according to them, DJ Zumje recently got married to his longtime sweetheart, Avisha, I think that's her name, Avisha, in a small intimate ceremony involving family and friends at a cathedral in Manhattan, New York, in the United States. Now, let's get some more local. I don't know. Here it is. DJ Vice Cartel says he has broken all ties with the Alliance crew and is free of the attempts of Bounty Killer to control him. The DJ, in an interview with The Star, said that he is now standing alone. Well, sometimes we need to just stand on our own 2 feet and do our thing, right? Not everybody needs an alliance, but hey, it's not my business. That's what The Star said. I'm just here to relay the message. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your host, Empress, and that's it for the Hot Scoop this week. After the break, we'll deliver strictly the best new release.